Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Today my name is SPICYVOKES. I am a YouTuber based in Nigeria, and I've heard a lot of benefits of waxing, some of which are over here on the side here. I know it's not really a Nigerian thing, it's not really a black girl thing anyway. I know a lot of people haven't tried it out. I haven't for one, and I want to see what it's like. I want to see if I can wax today my underarms. If it's a good experience, we go over to the legs, but hey, let's try out first and see how it goes. So I'm here at the Henna Place Spa. It's a spa I used back in Lagos, and this is their Port Harcourt branch, which is in Gulf Estate, Port Harcourt. And I want to check it out. I want to see how it is like. I want to see what the waxing experience is like. So this is your opportunity to see the world with my eyes. Come along with me, people, and let's go have some waxing. Stay tuned.
Thank you. It's okay. Thank you.
On the arm.
Memories fade away.
Okay. I'm supposed to take off my clothes.
Lying deep underground, you must have lost your way. Look around, all we can do now is pray. Make it count. I've lived through water, I've lived, seen pain you can't imagine. These days you take for granted, we fought out so you could have them. This truth you hold for ransom, buried beneath the static. No doubt the heart is ended, fight is cold and love is tragic.
What? It is. That's why I didn't shave. I hope it's not going to be painful. I hear. No problem.
We wait up for the dawn, through the night, though our better days are gone. Made our peace, said goodbye, 'cause the further we carry on, through the fight, the stronger that we become. I've lived through water, havoc, seen pain you can't imagine. These days you take for granted, we fought out so you could have them.
It's painful. Jesus. What do you mean? It's not painful. No, I can't.
Just stay your dress.
Wait. Can I stop?
It's not that bad. Just try it.
It's too painful. Oh my god. No, I can't do this
Okay,
again.
let me take it off since you cannot do it.
Wait. What do you mean let me take it off?
Let me take the wax off now.
Oh yeah, take it off now.
Relax your hand.
You can take
This
it
is
off.
a
Jesus.
So let me You're not even allowed to remove.
Wait. This is painful.
Okay.
This is very painful. Ha! You've not even started yet too.
Look at it now. You spread it everywhere.
So I must finish it.
Just now.
This is not how somebody used to buy problem with their money. What kind of problem is this one? I'm done with my waxing. Needless to say, it was a very, very painful experience. I decided to save you and everyone else some of the gory details of my screaming and shouting, because really it was very, very, very chaotic. A lot more chaotic than I care to tell you. At some point I couldn't hold the camera because it was just too chaotic, way too chaotic. Anyways, that was how it went. And for the results, I'd like to show you what it looks like. So let me put it close up on the camera. Can you see how this looks? Can you see that blends with my skin color very well, better than it usually does before, because usually this will be a little darker after a shave, but this blends very well with my skin. As you can see, the skin, there's no difference between the skin on my armpit and the other skin, which is a sharp difference from what usually is the case when I use a shaving stick or a shaving cream. So that doesn't usually happen. This is a first for me, and I love the way it looks. It looks amazing. And best of all, this is so smooth. As you can see, there's no blemish on it, no single dark spot. This is so smooth. It's as smooth as a baby's buttocks over here, guys. It is so smooth, it is beautiful, and I love it. And I think it's going to be looking like this for quite some time too. So because the waxing does have a longer effect, no more ingrown hairs, no more bumps, nothing of that sort. It's just really, really smooth, smoother than a baby's buttocks, like I said. So I think the benefits are really looking good in comparison with the disadvantages and the pain that comes with it. Am I going to try waxing again? Don't ask me. I honestly don't know. All I can tell you for sure is that I bailed out on the waxing for my legs, which I was going to try today as well. There's only so much I can take in one day, guys. Please spare me. I bailed out on that one today. Maybe I'm gonna try that again. I don't know, but hey, stick around, and definitely we're gonna have a lot more experiences together. All I can tell you for certain is this: there should really be a buyer beware sign beside every waxing treatment at the spa, because nothing, absolutely nothing prepares you for that pain, baby. It's like you're going into a labor room. You don't even know what's going to happen. That is exactly what it was like in there. Nothing prepares you for that kind of pain. It is crazy. At some point, that girl had to just put it on, and she just went. I lost control of the camera, to be honest. I was like, it was crazy. I was screaming, I was shouting, I was rolling. Oh my god, it was just crazy. Anyways, I've had a lot of fun today. I hope you guys have had fun with me as well. Please stick around with me and stick on to my channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button below you. Click the notification bell. I promise you, it's completely painless, completely free, and you're gonna have lots of fun here. I promise you good content. Come on this experience with me and you're gonna love it. All right, till I come your way next week, next time. This is SPICYVOKES saying love you. Peace out.